Hello everyone, welcome to geoseolab. I'm Shivin and today we're talking about one of the biggest changes happening in digital marketing. SEO is changing forever. If you are still following SEO strategies from a few years ago, chances are that you're already falling behind. Artificial intelligence has completely changed how Google understands content, ranks websites, and answers users' questions. In this video, I'll explain exactly what's changing, why it's happening, and most importantly, how you can prepare for the future. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. SEO has always evolved. Earlier, Google mainly looked at keywords and backlinks. Today, AI understands language almost like a human. Instead of asking which keyword is repeated the most, Google now asks, does this page actually answers the user's question? That's why understanding AI-powered SEO has become more important than ever. Let's understand how SEO has evolved. Earlier, websites ranked because they repeated keywords many times, bought backlinks, and even used exact match domains. But today, Google uses artificial intelligence to understand context and user intent. It doesn't just read words, it understands meaning, and in the future, search will become even more personalized. Voice search, visual search, AI generated answers, all these are becoming the new normal. So what's exactly is AI doing? Google now uses AI systems like RAN, Brain, and Search Generative Experience. Instead of matching keywords, AI tries to understand what the user actually wants. For example, if someone searches best phone for photography, Google doesn't simply look for pages containing those words. It understands the intent behind the search and recommends the most relevant content. Another major change is zero-click search. Sometimes Google answers your question directly on the search page, which means users doesn't even visit websites anymore. That's why creating helpful, trustworthy content is more important than ever. One of the biggest SEO shift is moving from keyword to user intent. Instead of asking which keyword should I target, ask yourself what problem is my audience trying to solve. AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini understand natural conversations. So instead of writing content around short keyword, write complete answers. Use FAQs, answer real questions, write naturally. This helps AI understand and even recommend your content. You have probably heard about EEAT. It stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. Google wants content written by people who actually know the topic. For example, if you're writing about SEO, show your real experience, share case studies, mention your result, add trusted references. The most trust signal your website has, the better your chances of ranking. AI is making content creation much faster. You can generate outlines, meta descriptions, FAQs, even multilingual content. But here's the mistake many people make. They publish AI generated content without editing it. Google doesn't reward content simply because AI wrote it. It rewards useful content. Use AI as your assistant, not your replacement. Always add your own expertise and editing. SEO isn't limited to text anymore. Voice search is growing rapidly, visual search through Google Lens is becoming common, and AI is even recommending videos directly in search results. So optimize everything: image, video, transcripts, alt text, schema. The future belongs to websites that communicate in multiple formats. Even the best content won't rank if your website has technical issues. Your website should load quickly, be mobile friendly, use structured data, and make it easy for AI crawlers to understand your pages. Technical SEO is no longer optional. It's the foundation of AI SEO. Let's look at some real examples. A health website improved its expert reviewed content and recovered organic traffic. An e-commerce business implemented structured data and increased rich snippet visibility. A local business customized for voice search and saw a significant rise in local leads. The message is simple. Businesses adapting to AI SEO are already seeing results. So what should you do starting today? First, focus on EEAT. Second, write for user intent, not just keywords. Third, improve your technical SEO. Fourth, create voice, video and visual content. And finally, use AI wisely. Let AI increase your productivity, but let your experience create the value. So that's how SEO is changing forever. The future belongs to creators and marketers who combine AI with real expertise. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to geoseolab and turn on notification bell so you never miss our latest SEO, AI and digital marketing content. Also, let me know in the comments what do you think is the biggest challenge in AI SEO. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.